All right, thank you, Tony. And new tonight, we've learned the East Greenwich Firefighters Union is once again seeking legal action against the town.
This time, the union president tells us the complaint is regarding hours of unpaid work, a problem he alleges has plagued the department for quite some time. And tonight, we're hearing from him, and we're also getting the town's response. Eyewitness News reporter Caroline Goggin joins us now live from East Greenwich with more. Caroline?
Well, Mike and Shannon, this is not the first time the union has taken legal action against the town. In November, we told you a judge ruled that town manager Gayle Corrigan had no valid basis in firing a firefighter. And then in February, the union was awarded more than $40,000 in attorney fees regarding that case. But now it looks like the two could be headed back to court.
I would hope that everybody could be adults.
In a complaint filed on Friday, East Greenwich Firefighters Union President Bill Perry alleges members of his department haven't been fully compensated for their work.
Many of our members do collateral duties, which is like EMS, training, all stuff like that, dispatch. They have not been counting those hours towards our hours worked with our employer.
Perry tells us he's tried to get answers from the town about this alleged missing pay. He was finally forced to seek legal action.
The way the Fair Labor Standards Act works is that if you don't file your lawsuit timely, you miss the opportunity to recoup that money. So what we wanted to do was get this filed to make sure the firefighters aren't losing out on any money, and we hope this will establish a dialogue with the town council.
Well, these court documents indicate that in a collective bargaining agreement between the town and the union, firefighters should be treated as on duty when they perform this collateral work, which means they should be paid for it. While the union says they haven't been paid for it, the town says that simply isn't true.
Obviously, if you would hear about it sooner than if we didn't pay overtime or collateral duties. You would have heard about it the very next day.
And they've been saying that this has been going on for years. I mean, is this the first that you're hearing of it?
In terms of their overtime and collateral duties, absolutely. We do pay weekly for the hours worked the previous week.
And Corrigan told me tonight that the town hasn't been served this lawsuit just yet, but as you can see, we do have it in our hands. It was filed in federal court on Friday. The union president's attorney tells me that they're still trying to figure out how much money the town allegedly owes these firefighters. Reporting live in East Greenwich tonight, I'm Caroline Goggin, Eyewitness News.